Hey guys, we received this 8000 milliampere rechargeable motion sensor ceiling lights for test and try. Comes with remote and 7.5-inch ultra thin battery operated wireless closet or light indoor thing. So it's dimmable, timer, magnetic mount and can be used in anywhere. So these are the strips that can go in the back, and these are the lights with the screws and everything. So this is the magnetic strip. So manual and the light. So very nice light, and this is the magnetic strip that I will show a little later. Motion sensor, temperature or the light changing, and then so see like the light is on, and then you can change the light, the three different warm levels, and with the motion sensor and remote control. So you can charge or recharge these lights with the supplied cables. And these are the strips that goes in the back to stick so that this mounting iron thing will go. So there are the magnetic things here, and this is the strip. So this strip you can use on the wall or the ceiling, and you can just put this the sticky thing. So this magnetic strip then stick, and you can have this. So it's easy, you can also stick it to any metal surface. If not the stick, it's really sturdy and pick up really nice or strong grip. You can also do it with the screw and everything, and there are two pack, so this is really good, the same thing with this magnetic strip and stuff. So I put it on the metal door, and then see like the light, so it's off for example, and then it's the motion sensing with the light thing, so it will just on when the lights are dim. So when there are lights it was not working with the motion sensing, and when there is dark then it will work. You can also choose the light you want with that button, and then this will work. So overall they are really nice lightweight and very good magnetic strength, and motion sensing is really good as well.